Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about how Amazon Kindle Unlimited works. All right, let's begin. First, Kindle Unlimited is an all-you-can-read library subscription for ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. With this subscription, you pay a monthly fee and gain access to a massive digital library. You can read millions of ebooks, listen to thousands of audiobooks, and explore magazine subscriptions. You can borrow ebooks and audiobooks just like a library, but with no due dates. You can read on any device using the free Kindle app and borrow up to 20 titles at once, allowing you to switch between books as needed. To subscribe, open a new tab and search for Amazon.com. Sign into your account, and from the homepage, click All in the top left corner. Scroll to Kindle e-readers and books and select Kindle Store. Click on Kindle Unlimited. On this page, you will see an option for a 30-day free trial. Click Join Kindle Unlimited to start your free trial instantly. So that's basically how Amazon Kindle Unlimited works. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.